uninstall an update in Windows 10 or Windows 11, you need to follow these steps. Go to the search bar with the mouse, right-click, and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel to open. If you have a different view, click on View by and change back to Category. Click on Programs, and under Programs, you will see View Installed Updates. It's the last option on the right in the first line. Click on it. At this stage, you will see all the installed updates. What you want to do, you want to locate the update which you want to uninstall and click on it to be selected in blue, and then right-click and select Uninstall. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device, and it will say uninstall or change an application. Go ahead and click yes. Here, save and close any work in progress now, so you must close any application or software running and click uninstall. At this stage, the process will start and the update will be uninstalled from your computer. You might want to restart your computer to avoid any problems, and your computer should be working totally fine after that.